Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect OKX to TradingView and trade. By the end, you'll have your TradingView charts linked to your OKX account, so you can place trades directly from your chart without having to switch between platforms. This integration can save you time and streamline your trading process, making it easier to execute your strategy in real time. Start by opening TradingView and loading any chart you like. Make sure you're signed into your TradingView account and that your internet connection is stable, as the connection process briefly switches you over to a secure OKX page and then brings you back. Having a stable connection is crucial to ensure the process runs smoothly without any interruptions. When you're ready, look to the top right corner of the chart for the Trade button. Click that and you'll see a broker panel appear. This is TradingView's hub for live trading connections. In that panel, use the search box to type OKX and then select it from the list. If you don't immediately see it, double check that you're on the main chart page and that no filters are applied. Availability can vary by region and account type, so ensure your TradingView plan and location support this connection. If you're using TradingView's free plan, some broker integrations may be limited, so be sure your account type supports this feature. Once you've selected OKX, click Connect. TradingView will redirect you to the secure OKX login page. Sign into your OKX account as you normally would, and if prompted, complete any two-factor authentication, 2FA. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security, ensuring that only you can access your trading account. You may also be asked to authorize TradingView to access your trading account for order placement and account data. Review the permissions carefully to make sure you're comfortable with the access you're granting, then confirm. When that's done, you'll be sent back to TradingView, and you should see a confirmation that OKX is connected. From here, your OKX account is linked to your chart, and you can now place trades directly from TradingView's trading interface. On the chart, you'll find buy and sell controls, plus order settings like market, limit, and stop orders. These features allow you to manage your trades effectively without leaving TradingView, giving you the flexibility to enter and exit positions quickly. Before placing any order, make sure the symbol on your chart matches the market you want to trade on OKX, whether that's spot or derivatives. It's essential to confirm that you're trading the correct market type to avoid any mistakes. Double-check your order size, any leverage settings that apply to your account, and your selected account or sub-account if you use them. If you have multiple accounts, ensure you're placing the trade in the correct one. It's also a good habit to review fees and minimum order requirements so your order doesn't get rejected. This can help you avoid costly mistakes, especially if you're trading high volumes or using leverage. If the Connect button doesn't open the OKX page temporarily, disable pop-up blockers or allow TradingView in your browser settings. Some browsers may block the pop-up by default, so make sure to adjust those settings to allow the connection to go through. If you log out of OKX later, you may need to reconnect through the same steps. And if you run into a loading loop or any issues during the process, a quick refresh of the TradingView tab and repeating the connect flow usually resolves it. If the problem persists, try clearing your browser cache or using a different browser. That's all it takes. Click Trade, search, and select OKX. Hit Connect, log in on OKX, and you're ready to trade straight from your charts. This integration simplifies your trading workflow, allowing you to execute trades quickly and efficiently without needing to switch between platforms. Happy trading! And if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and tutorials.